Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your maths teacher. Children, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe. So, we have completed our first chapter, Shapes and Patterns, and I hope you are now able to identify plane shapes and solid shapes, and you are able to count the number of flat and curved faces in a solid shape and identify solids that only slide and solids that only roll and solids that both slide and roll. And I hope you are now able to distinguish between straight and curved lines and also identify patterns around you. So children, today we can do our text exercise. First of all, let us revise what all topics that we have studied in our first chapter. The first topic was plane shapes. Which are those plane shapes, children? Yes, circle, which has no corners. Then triangle, which has 3 corners. Square, which has 4 corners and all its sides are equal. And rectangle, for which opposite sides are equal and it has 4 corners. Next is solid shapes. Which are those solid shapes? Sphere, which has only one curved surface. Cube, which has 6 flat square faces. Cuboid, which has 6 flat rectangular faces. Cylinder, which has 2 flat and 1 curved faces. And cone, which has 1 flat face and 1 curved face. Then we learned about patterns. Repeating shapes make patterns. So this is the shape pattern and this is the number pattern. Now let's do the exercises. The first one is match the figures with their description. So let's read the description first. First one is all sides are equal. All sides are equal for square. Second one has 3 corners. Which shape has 3 corners? Triangle. Has no corners. Circle has no corners. Slanting line. Yes, you can see slanting line here. Then standing line. It is also given in this box. So match it with the standing line. Then about solid shapes. Has one curved surface only. So which shape? Yes, sphere. The seventh one, shape has one curved and 2 flat surfaces. Which shape is it? Okay, cylinder. So match it with cylinder. Then the eighth one has 6 flat surfaces. So which shape has 6 flat surfaces? Cube. Okay, so cube is given here. So you can match it with cube. The next question is take the shape that belongs to the pattern. So you have to take the shape which belongs to the pattern. So the first one is, yes, rectangle, circle, circle, triangle, then again rectangle, then circle, circle, then which shape will come here? Yes, triangle. So take the triangle. Then the next question, yes, the arrows are given. The first arrow is in upward position, then it turns to the right, then again it turns to downwards, then to left. Then which position will come? Yes, when it turns, it will turn upwards, isn't it? Yes, it is turning in clockwise direction. So, the next arrow will be in upward. So, which is the arrow in upward position given in bots? Yes, so take it. Take the arrow which is given in upward position. Then the next figure, yes, so many circles are there and the circles are divided into 4 colors: red, blue, green, yellow. So in the first circle, it is the colors are in the order red, blue, green, yellow. Then in the next circle, which color is coming first? Yellow. Then comes red. Then comes blue. Then green. The next circle, green is coming first. Then yellow. Then red. Blue. So, which color will come next in the next circle? Yes, blue. Blue will come first. So, in the box you can see different circles. From that, take the second one. So, second circle is the one with blue color coming first. So, take the second one. The next question is complete the pattern. Given are number patterns. So, the first one is 12, 14, 16, then a blank circle, then again 20, a blank circle. In the first one, there is a difference of number 2 between the two numbers, isn't it? Yes, when a number 2 is added to 12, we get 14. Like that, when a number 2 is added to 14, we get 16. Isn't it, children? Yes, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Then to get the next number, what should we do? Yes, we should add 2 to the number 16. So 16 plus 2 gives 18. Then 18 plus 2 gives 20 is already given there. Then again the last blank. Yes, we have to add 2 to the number 20. So, we will get 20 plus 2 gives 22. So, that is it. Then the next one, 1, 2, then a blank, 4, then a blank, 6. Yeah, it is a very easy pattern. Yes, after 1, 2, which number will come? 3, isn't it? Yes. Then came 4. Then which number will come? 5. And 6 is already given there. Then the next pattern, 5, 10, 15, 20. Then 2 blanks are given that you have to fill. So, when you notice it, you can find that 5 is added to a number to get the next number. Isn't it, children? Yes. So when 5 is added to the first number 5, we will get 10. When 5 is added to 10, we will get 15. Like that the pattern continues. So after 20, yes, we have to add 5 to the number 20. 20 plus 5 gives 25. Then 25 plus 5 gives 30. Then the fourth question, take the correct answer. So, there are given many shapes, solid shapes. So, the first one, which is that shape, cylinder. And there are 3 boxes given, roll, slide, both. So, cylinder can both slide and roll. So, take the box both. Then the shape, which is that shape, cuboid. So, cuboid can slide. So tick on it. Slide. Then which shape is that? Third one, sphere. So sphere can roll. So tick the roll. Then the fourth one, which is that shape? Cube. Cube can slide. So tick the slide. Then the last one, cone. Cone can both roll and slide. So tick on the both. So children, do this exercise in your textbook. I am also attaching a worksheet along with this class. So please do it and send me. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.